I have these traditional vegetables, and I hope you can hear the sound of them. Like they are really dried leaves. Hello family, welcome back to our channel. In case it's your very first time here, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up guys. So I'm in the village and I have an amazing video for you today. So today we are going to prepare traditional meal, and it is very unique guys. In case you've ever eaten this food, kindly drop your comment. So without much further ado, let's go straight to the video. So guys, right here with me, I have these traditional vegetables, and I hope you can hear the sound of them. Like they are really dried leaves. And I'm very sure you are asking yourself, which type of vegetables are those? So guys, these are dried vegetables. Like I just want to be real. These vegetables have been dried for almost 1 year. I think it's 1 year guys. And as you can see, we still have the greenness in them here. Even though they are dry, but the nutrients are still in them and they are still somehow green guys. So guys, today I'm going to share with you how we do prepare this in the village. Kindly drop your comments if you have ever eaten this, and in case you have never eaten, just follow the recipe. Make sure you watch the video till the very end and see what we are going to do with these vegetables guys. Remember, they are dry and we need to make them very soft. Yeah, so let's begin. But guess the name. In case you know the name, start guessing. But meanwhile, let's do the necessary. I'll be telling you the name as we proceed. So the first thing we do here is to soak the vegetables guys. So I have my water here. I'm just going to pour some water in and leave it for some 20 minutes. Yeah, like this. So I have to make sure that every leaf is soaked in water like this. Guys, just follow the recipe. Yeah? And they are very sweet. In case you've ever tasted these vegetables, they are very sweet. You can testify. Yeah? So, we are going to leave our vegetables to soak for 20 minutes. And after that, we will be doing something about them before we eat them guys. Yeah, so meanwhile, let's collect the necessary ingredients that we are going to use to prepare this vegetables guys. Let's go. So I have my ingredients right here guys. Yeah, so we have this plastic cup, saucepan with this ash. Yeah, so for those who know, you understand what I want to do. And guys, so this plastic cup has been pierced, so we have some holes down here as you can see. So this is what we use to filter out the ash solution, to get the ash solution from this ash. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the procedure, and we'll be using this ash to cook those vegetables, our dry vegetables guys. Yeah, just watch and see. Remember guys, our vegetables are right there soaking. So right now we are going to mix the ash solution, like to add the ash here to make the solution. So this is what we are doing. Okay. So we have added our ash inside the plastic cup. Then after that, you press it very hard to make sure that we filter out a clean ash solution. Yeah, so after there, we are going to go in with our water like that. Then we place it on our saucepan to obtain the clean ash solution guys. Yeah, so as we wait for our ash solution to be collected, then also waiting for our vegetables to soften, watch the video till the end and subscribe. Subscribe, we are on the road to 20k subscribers, guys. Yeah, and meanwhile, drop your comments, let me know which type of content do you want me to create for you. Should we maintain the village one or we can do the others? Yeah, guys, as you can see right now, our vegetables are turning to green and they have increased in size. Like you thought they were just like small in amount, but right now we have a lot. Like this one, it's going to serve so many people. So we are just waiting for them to get soft because they were dried for a long time. Yeah. So we are going to obtain a lot of vegetables from this. Yeah, selected. And also we are obtaining our ash solution. As you can see, this is what we are going to use to prepare. Just watch till the end. So guys, we will be using these vegetables to eat ugali, which is our staple food here in Kenya or in Africa. I don't know in Africa, in Kenya. So guys, our ugali is almost ready. Yeah, it is being cooked. So let me go show you. This is our village kitchen. Welcome inside. Yeah, so as you can see right there, the ugali is almost ready. We are just the ones delaying the vegetables. But guys, it is gonna happen soon. Like we are going to eat very soon, guys. Yeah, so as my in-law prepares the ugali, let's go and prepare the veggies. Meanwhile, let her say hi to you. Can you see how she's very beautiful? My one and only in-law. Say hi to my fans. Hi. So guys, our vegetables are very soft right now. Very soft. So time to prepare them to cook. Yeah. So remember guys, as I told you earlier, these vegetables were preserved almost 1 year ago and they were dried very well. That's why you see they are looking this way. So in case you want a video on how to preserve these vegetables, drop a comment. Remember, before they were preserved, they were washed and they were salted. So in case you want this procedure of preserving, drop a comment. I'll share with you. But meanwhile, let's prepare. So they are clean. I'm not going to wash again because they were washed in hot water before preserved. These are our vegetables. After here, we are going to add in ash solution that we've obtained, like that. Then mix very well. Make sure the ash solution mixes very well with your vegetables, like that. After adding ash solution, we add some little water that we use to boil our vegetables. Yeah? Let's go cook. So guys, here we cook on a 3-stone jiko. So these are our vegetables. Remember, we just added ash solution only, nothing else. Watch the recipe. So guys, for those maybe who are asking themselves which type of vegetables are those, these are cowpeas leaves that have been dried for almost 1 year. Yeah. Drop your comments in case you've ever eaten this. So guys, we are going to fry our vegetables. They are ready, like we have already boiled them. So it's time to fry them. Yeah. Let me know, how do you cook your vegetables? Like, do you fry or you mix everything together? So we are adding oil. Then we add onion. Then we add in tomatoes. This is how we do light our fire. So our tomatoes are ready. Time to go in with our vegetables. Then we have to add salt. That's some little salt because when they were being preserved, there was salt that they added salt. We are adding a little soup because of the kids. So let's wait for our vegetables to boil, then they'll be ready to be served. Yeah, so I can't wait to share with you this. They are very sweet. Very yummy. In case you have never tasted dried vegetables that have been kept for so long, kindly go try. Yeah. So let's wait. Our vegetables are ready. Time to serve, guys. And as you can see, they are looking green. So we are serving, guys. Hey, I have served. And our ugali is right here, vegetable food. So let's go and share. So guys, our meal is ready. Do you remember our vegetables that were very, very dry? Yeah? Here we are. Yeah? So guys, our food is ready and we are going to eat. So we have to pray. Oh God, bless this meal as we eat in Jesus' name. Amen. Let's taste together. Mhm. Very sweet. Very yummy. Mm. Kindly go try this recipe or try this by drying your vegetables and cook. You will thank me later. So I have to end this video so that I can enjoy myself. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you really enjoyed and you learned something. See you soon on our next one. Bye bye.